Hi, this is Julius Balieklo. In today's video, I'm going to take you through product role, which is a continuation of my last video I posted. In case you miss it, you can go to YouTube, search for Julius Balieklo, the math architect, or you can search on Facebook and you can watch the video there. Alright, so I'm continuing with the product role. So let's go straight to the formula. Let's look at the formula that you can employ, when you encounter any question concerning product role. So, results, if you have f of x, then g of x. These are two functions. This is a product. Now f of x and we have g of x. So the product rule says, if you have two functions multiplying each other, first of all, you differentiate the first function, which is f prime of x. The prime means you are differentiating or you are finding the derivative. Then you hold g of x as constant, that is second function as constant. Then plus, then you differentiate the second function or you find the derivative of the second function, which is g prime of x, and then you hold the first function as a constant. So given f of x. So that is the formula we're going to be dealing with. All right. So set the ball rolling. Let's look at an example. So let's say such I have d in the v of v squared 2 square root of v and plus 1. Alright, these are two functions. This is a product. So you can identify the first one is your f of x and the second one is your g of x. So we are relating this to the formula. So how do we find the derivative, or how do we differentiate it? So the formula tells us that you take the first function, you differentiate the first function, then hold the second function as a constant, then plus, you differentiate the second function, then hold the first function as a constant. Right, so let's do that. So before that, you can rewrite square root of v to make it a power, so that it will be easier for you to, deal with. So let me rewrite it. dv, the brackets, v squared. The square root of v is the same thing as v raised to the power half. So I write that 2v raised to the power half, then plus 1. So this is our v squared is our f of x, then our g squared, our g is 2v to the power half, then plus 1. So let's say f, let's change this to the v, because we are differentiating with respect to v. So you can say f of v, then g of v is now equals to. So first of all, we'll find the derivative of v squared. So, if you can remember the power rule, if you have anything raised to the power any number, you have to differentiate it. You simply bring down the power, multiply by the coefficient, and then reduce the power by 1. So, so this is our f of x. So we're differentiating f of x. So bring down the power 2, then you multiply by v. Then the formula tells you we have to hold the second function as what? Constant. So this is constant, so we don't type that, you don't differentiate it. So we have 2v to the power half, then plus 1, then plus, we're differentiating the second function, or taking the derivative of the second function, which is what? The g of x. And the g of x, or g of v, is 2v to the power half plus 1. So we have to differentiate this, or to take the derivative of that. So we have the power here is half. So we can hold the v squared as constant. So multiply 2 by half. 2 times half. Then v to the power. You reduce the power by 1. So half minus 1 will give us minus 1. So you have a minus half rather. So this is power minus half. And then if you differentiate 1 is a constant term. Any constant term, if you differentiate it, it gives you 0. So there's no point of writing it. So that's it. Now let's go further. Try to simplify it. So we can open brackets or you expand it. 2v times that. So this is 2v. A 2v is the same as 2v raised to the power 1. So these they have the same base. So you can add the powers. So 2 by 2 gives us 4. Then v to the power 1 times v to the power half. So you simply add 1 plus half. And that will give us v raised to the power 3 over 2. Then plus 2v times 1 gives us what? 2v. And this is plus. Here we can simplify this. Half of 2 is just 1. So 2 cancels till here. Then we are left with v squared into brackets v raised to the power minus half. So this gives us 4v to the power 3 over 2. This is plus 2v. This is plus. We have v raised to the power negative and multiplied by v squared. So let's eliminate the negative. And how do we do that? So we just write v squared, then divided by the v to the power half. So when you bring it down, the negative sign becomes positive. So this is 4v to the power 3 over 2 plus 2v. This is plus v squared. V raised to the power half is the same to the square root of what? V. So you have square root of V. Alright, so we cannot just leave it like that. We have to say simplify it. You know. Be sure that the V shouldn't be down here. We have to eliminate that. So how do we do that? So we have, this is 4v to the power 3 over 2 plus 2v. And this is plus v squared all over square root of v. So to do away with the square root down here, you simply multiply by square root of v over the same thing square root of v. So we have 4v to the power 3 over 2 plus 2v. This is plus. That's also v over v squared over root v. Then multiply by root v all over square root of v. So this gives us 4v 3 over 2 plus 2v and plus multiply this one by that, multiply the numerator, also multiply the denominator. So v squared times root v gives us v squared root of v. Then sorry, so this is all over square root of v times square root of v. Any root and itself gives us that number. So root v times root v will give us v. So we have 4v to the power 3 over 2 plus 2v, and this is plus. V can go to itself 1, v here give us v. So you have v square root of what? V. So, yeah, you can still simplify it. 4v 3 over 2 plus 2v, this is plus, this is v. You can change this to a power. Root v is the same thing as v raised to the power half. So this is a product. You can multiply, have the same basis. So once you have the same basis, you can add the powers. This is v to the power 1, then v to the power half. So 4 v to the power 3 over 2 plus 2v then plus this 1 plus half give us 3 on 2. So you have v raised to the power 3 on 2. So consider the line terms. You can simplify this. We have 4v to the power 3 over 2, and then this is 1v to the power 3 over 2. So 1 plus this will give us 5 v to the power 3 and 2, then plus 2v. All right, that's the final answer. So if there's any comments, any questions, any concerns, you let me know. And then make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, share, like, and make comments. All right, I will see you in the next video. Thank you.